How to add, edit, and delete contacts in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Contacts on your device. You will find this kind of screen. Now, to add contact, click on Create Contact at the top left corner of your screen. Then you'll find two options. Simply click on Create a Contact. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, add first name, last name. If you want to add company name, you can add email, phone number. Then you can add birth month as well. Then press on save at the top right. After it's saved, you will find this contact in your contact list. Now, if you want to edit the contact, simply drag your mouse in the contact and you'll find pencil-like icon. On the right side, click on it. You can edit it as you want and press on save at the top right. Now if you want to delete contact, simply drag your mouse to the contact and click on the three dots on the right side. After you've clicked on the three dots on the right side, press on delete. After you click on delete, press on move to trash and the contact will be deleted. This is how to add, edit, and delete contacts in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.